The mother accused of leaving her baby, her newborn baby, that is, in a dumpster, is out of jail this morning. Althea Johnson bonded out after a judge declared a mistrial. The trial began Tuesday, and after listening to witness testimony most of the week, the jury deliberated for hours yesterday afternoon and couldn't come to a decision. KXAN's Brittany Glass was there as Johnson took the stand herself for more than an hour, making it hard for jurors to reach a consensus.
The 29-year-old mother was emotional, sometimes overwhelmed by the reality of what happened on October 25th, 2017.
I don't know what happened. I just know that I would never hurt my child.
Althea Johnson says the worst part is not being able to remember.
I could do this if I could remember.
Johnson admitted she had said she didn't want any more kids.
Well, I love my children. I was not financially ready to have any more children at that time. I wasn't mentally ready to have any more children at that time. I didn't know I was going to have other kids. And I took care of them and I worked hard for them every day.
During closing arguments Friday afternoon, her defense team repeated that idea.
She loved them. She cared for them. She worked herself to the bone to provide for them.
The defense argues there's reasonable doubt in this case because they say there's a lack of physical evidence.
We don't have a fingerprint. We don't have an eyewitness. We don't have DNA. All we have is her statement.
But prosecutors say Johnson had intent.
And she had other choices. She had the choice to call 911. You heard her testimony that she's done it before. She had the choice to wake up any of those adults in that apartment and ask for help. But she made the choice to throw away her daughter.
They argue there was no memory loss.
Because she knows what she did. And she knows only a monster would do something like that.
I want to be looked at as a human being and not a monster.
Brittany.
Under the conditions of her bond, the judge says she is not allowed to see any of her 4 children. Of course, the case will be retried by a brand new jury. Johnson's due back in court on a pretrial hearing April 30th.